Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a query in Microsoft Access from start to finish. Let's get started with the basics. First things first, let's open the database file that you'll be working with. This is where your query will be created and stored. You'll find the Create tab up here on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that tab. Now, from the options available, select Query Design to start building your new query. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose your data sources. Pick the tables or existing queries that contain the information you need for this query. Once you've made your selections, click the Add button to bring those tables into your query design. You'll see your selected tables displayed as small grids showing all their available fields. Simply double-click on each field you want to include in your query results. Ready to see your results? Click the Run button, which looks like a red exclamation mark on the ribbon, to execute your query. When you close the query design window, Access will ask you to save your work. Enter a descriptive name for your query and click OK to save it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a query in Access. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.